Hello everyone. Okay, we are going to do some dictation. So we've done it a couple of times, but what's really important for dictation is that you just write the sounds that you hear. It doesn't matter if you don't get all the sounds, and I want you to try this by yourselves without mum or dad. As I said, it doesn't matter if you don't get them all, even if you get the first sound, that's just absolutely super work. So this exercise is all about listening to the sounds that you hear and writing them down. So what you need is your whiteboard with 1 to 6, or you can have a piece of paper and a pencil if you like. So get that ready now and we're going to start. If you need a little bit of extra time when I call out the words, just pause the video, have a little think and write down what you hear. Okay, the first word is dog. So at number 1, you're going to write dog. So have a little think. What's the first sound that you hear? Dog. Okay, I'm going to write it down so I can show you. Dog. Have a little think. Write what you hear. You can stretch out your word at home. Okay, I'm going to show you mine. Now, boys and girls, you don't need to rub it out and make, if you made a mistake, you can just leave it as it is. You don't need to rub it out. Because remember, school is all about learning. And when we make mistakes, it actually makes our brains grow, doesn't it? So we don't always have to get everything perfect. So dog. D-og. If you got the first sound, fantastic. Give yourself a little tick if you want it. Got the first sound, d-og. Maybe you got the last sound as well. Maybe you got your g, d, and g, and maybe you missed the one in the middle. That's okay. Ready for the next one? Okay. Ready? Cat. At number 2, we are writing cat. It's a small k sound. Cat. Cat. So stretch out the word yourself. Cat. Okay, you ready? Pens down. Cat. Okay, so when I hear the word cat, what is the first sound? K, k, k. Did everybody get that? K. Now, what if I'm not sure? If I know that there's a sound in the middle, but I don't know what it is, I can write a line like this. K, t. But I know there's a t at the end. K, cat, cat. And then when I listen to it again, if I really stretch it, k, at. What goes in the middle? Ah. So boys and girls, this is a little thing for us to do because we didn't get to practice it in school before we finished up. If you know that there's another sound but you don't know what the sound is, you could just write a little line and then I know that you know that there's a sound in there but you're not really sure what it is, and that's okay. Ready for number 3? Pet. Pet. What's the first sound in pet? So stretch it yourself. So I don't want to stretch it for you. Pet. Did you hear the sound at the end? And then figure out what sound is in the middle. Okay, show me your boards. If you need more time, just pause it and come back. Okay, pet. P-et. Pet. If you got any of those sounds right, fantastic. Good job. Next one. The person who helps the sick animals. Vet. Vet. So write down the first sound first. Vet. The vet helps the sick animals. Vet. Okay, are you ready? Remember, just pause if you're not. At. Vet. Good job. Leave 2 more. Next one is a hen. The hen gives us eggs. Hen. Hen. If you hear the first sound, write it down. Hen. If you can hear the last sound, write it down. Hen. Okay, ready? N. Hen. N. Hen. Good job. We have 1 more left. Are you ready? Duck. What does the duck do? The duck swims on the pond. The duck says quack. Duck. Write down the first sound. Duck. Duck. Ready? Duck. First sound is D. Good job. What's the next sound? D. Uck. D. Is our last sound. Now, we know that C and K are very lazy at the end of words. So that's why a lot of the times we see them together. If you only wrote the letter C, or you only wrote the letter K, it doesn't matter. For this exercise, you are correct because we are all doing it on sound. So if you had written duck just like this, that is fantastic work. You'd be getting full marks because you are writing all of the sounds that you hear. Okay? So don't worry about changing your answers afterwards. It's just about writing what you hear to help us with our spelling and to help us for when we are writing our stories so that we can sound out by ourselves. Okay, so duck. And just a little reminder that sometimes C and K are lazy at the end of the words and they like to be together. They like to have a little friend. Isn't that right? Okay, boys and girls, fantastic work. We are going to be doing a little bit more dictation in the next couple of days. So I hope that you liked it and I hope that you had fun. And again, don't worry if you don't get all the sounds. Even if you're getting 1 from each word, that is fantastic. Send me any questions or queries that you have if you need a little bit of help with anything. And I'll see you tomorrow.